Planning a trip usually takes hours of research, dozens of browser tabs, and decision fatigue. What if AI could create your perfect itinerary in 5 minutes? Let me show you how to plan your best vacation yet. Use AI as your free personal travel agent. Traditionally, you would plan a trip, you would have 47 open browser tabs, conflicting TripAdvisor reviews, analysis paralysis, hours of research, still not sure you found the best spots. With AI, one conversation, personalized itinerary, hidden gems included, done in minutes and customized to your travel style. What AI can help with? Detailed day to day itineraries with timing, budget friendly suggestions, local experiences, not tourist traps, custom packing lists, restaurant recommendations, transportation tips, weather considerations, cultural etiquettes, and the list goes on. The secret? Be specific about your travel style, budget, and interest and pace. The more details you give, the better the itinerary. Now let's look at some prompts that will help you plan your travel properly. The first prompt is for a romantic weekend getaway. Now if you look at the prompt, it says plan a perfect 2-day weekend romantic getaway in Paris. Travel style, love, art and culture, cozy cafes, walking everywhere, avoiding mega tourist crowds, budget mid-range, willing to splurge on one nice dinner, staying in neighborhood, include specific activities, and you can give on more details about your travel plans. And let's ask ChatGPT to create or curate a 2-day weekend getaway. Based on the recommendations, based on my requirements, ChatGPT is helping me generate a weekend romantic getaway. Starts the day one, Saturday. It's all about art, history, and hidden corners. In the morning, you could do breakfast at this place, do this activity on foot. In the lunchtime, go to this restaurant. In the afternoon, attend this Picasso activity at this hotel, and so on. And you get the idea. But if you give more specific details in your prompt to ChatGPT, it will generate a proper response, a proper 2-day itinerary, and you can tweak that itinerary by asking more questions by having a conversation with ChatGPT. Now, the second example I will show you is for a family adventure. Plan a 5-day family trip to San Diego with kids age 6 and 9. Mix of kid-friendly attractions, some adult relaxation time, and good food. Budget conscious but not ultra cheap. Stay near Mission Beach. And again, you can give more details as you would like to have on your plan. And then just enter that in about few seconds to couple of minutes. ChatGPT will generate a list of activities that you could do for the 5 days. In the background, it's basically looking at list of several websites, curate the content that is more specific to your prompt. And I'm just trying to show you the activity that's going in the background of ChatGPT for you to realize that how does ChatGPT creates these excellent responses for you. So it's creating a 5-day itinerary by looking at some sources, planning your itinerary and sources, building a 5-day itinerary with pricing recommendations from websites like TripAdvisor and Belmont Park and others, crafting a 5-day itinerary. In about 48 seconds, you have fabulous 5-day itinerary with some images on how you could expect San Diego to be for you. And day 1, easy arrival, Mission Beach and Belmont Park. Day 2, you could go to the zoo. Day 3, you could have tide pools, Birch Aquarium. Day 4, kid day, SeaWorld or half-day maritime. And day 5, chill beach morning and choose your adventure afternoon and departure. So if you look at the responses, it's so nicely written. You have a first draft, which would pretty much be your entire trip, and you can talk to ChatGPT and make changes accordingly. Now, the third demo is for solo adventures. Let's say I'm going alone for a trip. So I'm going solo to Costa Rica for 7 days. I want adventure mixed with some beach relaxation, not hardcore all the time. Staying in hostels, budget hotels, which region should I visit, how many days in each, must-do activities, and so on. So I have given this prompt to ChatGPT to generate a 7-day trip for a solo traveler like me to Costa Rica. Again, if I show you the thinking, it will plan your trip by reviewing many websites for about 24 seconds now. But again, you see where it is going with it. It's a suggested 7-day itinerary, day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and so on. And you can, again, iteration is key, as I've said that in the earlier video. Talk to AI. Think of it as your expert at the task that you're trying to give AI to. Now, the fourth demo, let's create an itinerary which is focused on exploring food in a certain city. So I'm visiting Tokyo for 3 days and I'm a serious foodie. Create a culinary adventure itinerary, includes street food markets, authentic local restaurants, no tourist traps, one cooking class, breakfast, lunch, dinner suggestions, and so on. So if you're going on a food trip, you can use these kind of prompts. And ChatGPT again, like for previous prompts, will think and will curate a perfect response for you, which you can use as your first draft and then research more or talk to ChatGPT more and refine that before you go to travel, so that when you go there, everything is booked. You know what you're doing at each moment, and that makes your trip very successful. It's again gathering a lot of information around travel to Tokyo from several websites, creating a 3-day itinerary, crafting Tokyo food adventure itinerary with recommendations from websites like TripAdvisor, crafting the itinerary, and there you go. Very easy. Just remember to use the right prompt with the right information and enjoy your travel. Always ask these smart follow-up questions. Once the AI generates the itinerary, what's the best time of year to visit based on weather and crowds? How do I get from the airport to my hotel? What are the common tourist scams to watch out for? Give me a backup plan if it rains on day 1 or day 2 or day 3. What are the local phrases should I learn so that I am able to talk to the local people in a much better way? Other things that you could ask is, teach me basic cultural etiquettes, let's say for Japan. Where do locals actually eat and hang out, not tourists? Create a shared Google Doc itinerary for my group trip. What's a realistic daily budget, including food, transport, activities? What should I pack? What can I leave? Very, very important disclaimer. Always verify current information. AI's knowledge has a cutoff date, as we have spoken about in the previous video. Always confirm current business hours, booking requirements, visa and passport requirements, current safety conditions in travel, actual prices. AI estimates may be outdated, health and safety requirements, COVID specific restrictions. Use AI to create a plan as a first draft structure. Then verify details on official sources and review websites so that you have an amazing trip. Now, challenge for you. Plan a trip you've been dreaming about. You may not go to the trip right now, but just plan using AI. Maybe you may go after planning if it looks fun. More important is, plan a trip using AI to any place that you wanted to go and see the output. If it would be great for you to post it in the comments. Now, the next video is all about learning new skills faster with AI as your personal tutor. Want to learn guitar, learn Spanish, or coding? I'll show you in the next video. See you then.